Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So today we're gonna learn something new about pressure. So we are going to start from the definition, and then we look at the SI unit, and then we'll look at the calculation under pressure in solids. So let's define what's pressure. Pressure is the force acting normally per unit area, and the SI unit of pressure is Newton per square meters. So I want us to look at the calculations under pressure in solids. So we have an example here. So we are going to read it out. So the block below has a weight of 20 kg. Then use it to determine maximum pressure it exerts on the surface, and then determine the minimum pressure it exerts on the surface. So we are going to look at the both maximum pressure and minimum pressure. So stay tuned. So we have been given the gravitational force as 10 newtons per kg, and then here is the block. We have a length of 2 meters, a width of 1.5, and height of 1 meters. So the first thing that we are going to do is to determine the force. So we know that the formula for calculating pressure in solid is equals to force over area. Force over area. So we are going to look at what we have been given. As from here, we have been given the gravitational force, but we don't have force, and we also have the mass or weight. So we know that force is the same as weight, which is given as mg. So our force is going to be the mass that we have been given, 20 kg, and then we multiply by the gravitational force, 10 newtons per kg. So 20 times 10, we find that it is 200 Newton. So this is our force that we are going to use. So and then we come here now, A, we are going to determine the maximum pressure it exerts on the surface. So pressure maximum is given as force over area minimum. Pressure maximum is given as force over area minimum. So we have our force, which is 200 newtons, and our area minimum, we have to calculate for it. So area minimum, it means that from this block, which sides can give us the smallest area. So when you look at this side, it is 1.5 and 1, and this side we have 2 meters and 1.5. So our smallest area would be 1.5 and 1. So our area minimum will be length times width, which is 1.5 and 1 meters. 1.5 and 1 meters, which gives us 1.5 square meters. So this is our area minimum. Now pressure maximum will be force, which is 200 newtons out of 1.5 square meters. So when you calculate this, you get that it is 133.33 newtons per square meter. So this is our pressure maximum. Hope we are going together. And then let's come to pressure minimum. So pressure minimum is given as force over area maximum. So pressure minimum means that the smallest pressure. So the smallest pressure is given as force over area maximum. So the force remains the same, and then we are going to look at which sides can give us a largest area. So from our block here, we have 2 and 1.5, 1.5 and 1. So 2 and 1.5 meters will give us the largest area. So area minimum is equals to 2 meters multiplied by 1.5 meters. So it will be 2, you multiply by 1.5, you get that it is 3.0 square meters. So this is our area minimum. Now pressure minimum, this is our area maximum. I mean. So now pressure minimum is given as force, which is 200 newtons, out of pressure maximum, which is 3.0 square meters. And then when you divide, you get that it is 66.67 newton per square meter. So this is the pressure minimum. So this is the least pressure that will be exerted on this block, and this is the pressure maximum that will be exerted on this block. So hope you are doing well. So let's meet next time for more, and you can also drop more questions, so I'm here for you. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you.